Well, here it is, my 1940 something Chevy truck. Haven't found a VIN number on it yet. But here's what we've got. So there's a few things inside it. Get my big fat shadow out of the way. There's the seats, the grill, one of the hood side covers. I assume that's the lower valance. Somebody made a plexiglass window for it. A little box full of goodies. I don't think that reservoir is something that belongs with it. They've got a couple of master cylinders. There's the front turn signal bezels. And we've got front bumper and rear bumper. And going back to the truck, you can see the bed is gone. Somebody went a little crazy with the Bondo on this one. I love these wheels, old school aluminum slots. Rockers look pretty good. The bed is actually quite solid. Cab corner, some bad shape. So that stuff here. Running boards are not bad. There's some rot in there. Let's take a look inside. There's the gas tank. Kind of a big gaping hole in the floor. That's going to take some surgery. That door panel is on. Somebody's done a little homemade floor pan in here. There's the dash. I can't see how many miles might be on that. Still got the key in it. This door panel is gone, so I'll have to construct something there. We'll have to see, half of the hood blew off on the way here, so we'll have to see if we can find that. Front fender. Got the 6-cylinder in it. Still has the original horn. That's going to be fun. Supposedly this motor is locked up. We'll have to see about that. Radiator still in it and looks good. Frame is solid all around. Still got headlights in it. Fender looks good. A little door damage there. But the whole purpose of this is going to be rat rod. We're not going original, we're not going new hot rod, it's going to be old school rat rod. Windshield frame's missing, so I'm going to have to cobble something up for that. These are kind of cool. They would crank out, but I don't think that's going to need a little oil on that. But altogether, not a bad old piece. More to come in the future. Thinking about naming her. Thought about Clementine. Let's see what everybody thinks.